Hi Pisces, this is Pisces Hub. Welcome to my channel. So for today's video, gagamitin natin itong Angel Answers Oracle cards for us to know kung ano yung advice or mensahe ng angel mo, ng guardian angel mo sa araw na ito, okay? Reminder lang po Pisces na ito ay general reading, so pwede mag-resonate, pwedeng hindi. And this is a timeless reading Pisces, so kung anumang araw, buwan o taon mo ito napanood, pag nag-resonate, take mo lang. Okay? So, shuffle natin ang ating Angel Oracle cards. And this is a random messages, Pisces. So, pwedeng there's a yes or no, or maybe kung kailan specific, pwedeng next year, next month, within the next few weeks, like that, okay? So, take nyo lang kung saan mag-resonate. Okay. So, ano po ang message nyo po for Pisces? A year from now, okay, isang taon after ngayon, it's a yes. Oh, ano yung it's a yes po? Ano yung it's a yes? Listen to your intuition. So, pwedeng meron kang iniisip ngayon, Pisces. Ano pa, remain positive. And peaceful resolution. Okay, so I hope meron kang naiisip na any situation na pwede mag-resonate dito sa mga cards na napili natin ngayon, mga cards na nabunot natin ngayon, okay? So meron tayo ditong a year from now. So isang taon. There's a yes answer, and then meron pa dito, listen to your intuition, makinig ka daw sa gut feeling mo, Pisces, and think positive, remain positive all the time, para yung pumasok sa buhay mo is mga magagandang bagay, okay? And peaceful resolution, magiging maaliwalas, magiging maayos yung sitwasyon, okay? So, kuha pa tayo po. Siguro mga tatlo. Ano pa po yung mensahe niyo po for Pisces? The situation will improve. Okay. Okay. Be assertive. Be assertive, Pisces, represents as parang gawin mo lahat. Be decisive. Gawin mo lahat. Wala kang no hindrance. Okay? As long as wala kang aapakang tao, go for it. Okay? And be honest. Okay, parang ganun. I hope na gigets niyo yung point ko or yung thought ng card na to. Okay, so as long as makaka-benefit ka, as long as magiging maayos yung buhay mo, yung mga taong nasa paligid sa'yo, and wala kang inaapakan tao, be assertive. Okay, and romance. Okay, so pwede din merong involved na romance, Pisces, and success. Okay, so dalawa yung ano natin dito. There's a success. Pwede din success sa love life. Okay, pwede din success sa career, sa financial. And meron tayo ditong romance. Okay, so there's a big possibility of magandang buhay pag-ibig for you, Pisces, a year from now. Okay, and there's a yes. So, pwedeng magsasabi ka ng yes. Okay, so bigla ko na ano yung parang proposal. And then, listen to your intuition. Okay, listen to your gut feeling. Kasi yun yung sign na binibigyan ng guardian angel mo sa'yo. Okay, and again, remain positive. Peaceful resolution. The situation will improve. Magiging maayos din lahat. Okay, the situation will improve. As long as mag-resonate sa lahat ng aspeto mo sa buhay, Pisces, yun. Okay? And again, be assertive. And there's a romance and success. Okay? So, yun lang, Pisces, ang advices, messages ng angel mo sa araw na ito. Naway nagustuhan nyo po. Huwag nyo po sana kalimutan na mag-like at mag-subscribe po sa ating channel na Pisces Hub, this channel, and ang ating isang channel na Gel Tarot Guide na makikita po sa description box below. Click nyo lang po yung link na nasa description box po, and Huwag niyo po sanang kalimutan na mag-click sa ating notification bell para ma-notify po kayo sa mga susunod nating uploads. Okay, Pisces? So, thank you, Pisces, and God bless!